That's me. I'm walking around the neighborhood here, but it's a super hot day today, and hot and muggy, humid. But I'm gonna drive to Maplewood. I'll go to the bank first, then I'll go to Maplewood. So join my journey. If you're not a subscriber, smash that button and subscribe. If you are, thank you for supporting the channel. Come back, watch other videos, and leave comments or click the like button also if you want to. That's how you support our channel, by subscribing. So come back, watch more videos, and what else can I say? Thank you for supporting us. All right. You see right there walking. It's a busy intersection, Maryland and Rice Street. Well, whatever you are, whichever country you're watching this from, and you're staying safe during this pandemic, COVID-19 time. And you're wearing a mask, washing your hands. I'm not a doctor, just repeating what the experts say. Wash your hands, wear a mask. Some people fight wearing a mask. I call them idiots. They think they can't get sick. Then they get sick and they infect others. Not smart, but in America it's different. People fight the government to wear something simple like a mask. In other countries, you're told to wear a mask, you wear a mask. Common sense will tell you stay safe and protect others and yourself. At least if you don't care about yourself in a mask, care about the people you might get sick. Alright, I'm in Maplewood here. I should be getting to TCF Bank and made it here. Again, thank you for joining my journey here from home to TCF Bank. And again, if you're not a subscriber, smash that button, support our channel. And if you are, thank you for coming back. Keep doing that, supporting us. I really appreciate your help or your support. Alright, this is Cup Foods and this is where TCF Bank is. Alright, peace out.